In today's Tech Spotlight, we're gonna be checking out the Owla S75 mechanical keyboard. But before we do that, we gotta see what's in the box. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up to see what Owla includes with their mechanical keyboard. So it looks like the first box is just a protective box, and we're going to be able to get this one out. Oh, that looks way better. All right, so let's open this up and see what we see first. The first thing that we see is, oh, this is actually a piece of plastic that goes on top of the keyboard. A user warranty card. All right, cool. I'm glad that they do have warranty for this. And now we have almost like a little guide and a little look at the keyboard itself. We're gonna put this to the side for now. And of course they have a little silica gel, do not eat me thing. On the right side, we have a little baggie with a microfiber cloth, but not only that, they also include 4 replaceable keys. Now let's take the microfiber cloth out. And within the microfiber cloth, there's actually a cleaning tool. On the left side of the box, we have the Type-C to A cable that's gonna charge your device. And of course, a key remover. Now it's time to unveil the keyboard. Nice. So this is everything that you get in the box. You get a cleaner brush, you get the warranty card, you get a quick start guide, you get the key extractor, you get extra keys, you get 4 extra keys, you get a microfiber cloth, you get the Type-C to A charging cable, and of course, you get the keyboard. So Owla actually did send this out to us. And the timing was perfect because when they reached out to see if we wanted to check one of their keyboards out, it turns out that I was already thinking of replacing my full keyboard with a 75%. So the timing again was perfect. That plus, since I love to show you new products and brands, I thought this was gonna be a perfect video so I can showcase another product. So that being said, let's talk specs. The S75 Pro is a 75% mechanical keyboard, which means it keeps all of the important keys like the arrows and the function row, while still saving a lot of desk space. It comes with durable PBT keycaps and a solid, compact build that feels great for both gaming and day-to-day use. For switches, it ships with factory-looped linear switches, such as the Saya or the Caramel Latte options. They're smooth, quiet, and ready to use right out of the box. And if you want to customize the feel later, the board is fully hot swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. Inside, the keyboard uses a gasket-mounted design with multiple layers of dampening foam. This gives it a softer typing feel and a cleaner, more muted sound compared to other boards. Connectivity is one of its strong points. You get the tri-mode support, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C wire. It can also be paired with up to 5 devices, making it easy to switch between your PC, laptop, tablet, and phone. One of the standout features is the built-in LCD display and multi-function metal knob. The screen shows things like battery life, date and time, and your connection mode, while the knob lets you quickly adjust volume, brightness, and lighting effects. Speaking of lighting, it comes with full RGB backlighting and a variety of effects you can control either through shortcuts or software. For performance, the S75 Pro runs at a 1000 Hz polling rate, so inputs feel responsive and fast, perfect for gaming. And powering the wireless modes is a 4000 milliamp hour battery, giving you long usage between charges. Overall, the Owla S75 Pro offers great build quality, strong wireless performance, and a lot of customization for the price, making it a solid option for both gamers and everyday users. So one of the main reasons why I actually want to replace my current keyboard is because people on Discord and on my live stream always complain about how annoying my current keyboard is. Of course, I'm not going to name any brands, but it is pretty loud. This is what it sounds like currently. So as you can see, when I'm typing and trying to talk to somebody, this is kind of annoying to deal with. Compared to that, the Owla S75 is actually pretty soothing. So before I get out of here, I want to thank Owla for sending out this cool mechanical keyboard so I can test it and also show it to you. The timing was perfect since I just so happen to be in the market for another keyboard. If you want to check out this product yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can easily find it. And if you already own this product, go down into the comment section and let me know what you think about it. Until next time, take care of yourself.